quick disclaimer, my voice is kind of MIA. I feel like every time I get a cold, my voice is like, bye Rose, I'll see you next week. So that's what happened. Yeah. So hopefully guys, you can still understand me. I'm gonna try to speak slowly and softly so you guys can understand what I'm saying. And in this cup, there's nothing in here. I'm just trying to be fancy. No, I'm kidding. I have some Better Than Bouillon broth in here to soothe my throat. But anywho, how have you guys been doing? Welcome to the channel. I'm Veggie Rose. Again, typically my voice does not sound this way. I am just, going through a little struggle. So today we're going to be making something oh so delicious, and today's video format is a little bit different than the last one, and you guys are probably going to see a couple different video formats coming up in the next couple weeks because I'm in a new kitchen. For those of you guys who don't know, that I moved to Miami, and this is our new cozy little kitchen, and it's a little bit tricky to figure out how to make videos in this kitchen. However, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out together, and you guys let me know, give me feedback on which style you prefer once I start putting those different types of videos out. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a vegan cheesy cherry Danish. It's gonna be so good. Anyways, let's get veggie. Oh wait, did you guys subscribe already? Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, because veggie fam, right? Alright guys, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to need for this recipe is some silken tofu. And you're going to toss that silken tofu, or half a block of that silken tofu, into the blender along with some granulated sugar and some nutritional yeast. As usual, the full recipe will be linked down below. You're going to blend that up together until it becomes nice and smooth. Next, we're going to move on to our crescent roll dough, also known as crescent roll sheets. You could also buy crescent rolls. Like I use the Pillsbury because they're friendly, like vegan friendly. And then just unroll that. And then you're going to cut 1-inch pieces. And then after those pieces are cut, you're gonna roll them or twist them up into loose twist. You don't want to make them too tight, because if you make them too tight, then your Danishes will come out too dense. Also, this dough kind of rises and fluffs up a little bit, so if it's too tight, it won't do that, and again, it'll be dense. Next, we're gonna take our little twists and we're gonna curl them onto themselves to form a little Danish roll. We're gonna tuck the bottom underneath itself and continue to do all of these until all of them are completely done. Next thing you're going to do, once all of these guys are nice and rolled up, you're going to make an indent in the center. You can use your fingers, you can use a spoon, you can use anything you like. I just prefer to use my fingers because it's the easiest tool to find. And once you have those indents formed, you're going to start filling those bad boys up. You can fill this up with any jam, any jelly, preserve, whatever you want, but I like to do this half and half type of deal. And the way I like to do my half and half, split right down the middle, is using a spoon, and I use that to split it, and then I'll put one filling on one side and then the other filling on the other side of the spoon, and when you lift the spoon up, you're left with a beautiful split right down the middle, and the filling is not mixing. Next, you're gonna brush the edges of your danishes with some melted butter. I'm actually using some softened butter. Either way works just as fine. You're gonna brush all the edges of those, and then you're gonna sprinkle on some palm sugar or brown sugar. I'm using palm sugar because I just really like the taste, and when in Rome, right, palm sugar, but you can also use brown sugar if you prefer. That is for a little extra color and flavor. Next, we're gonna toss this into the oven according to the packaging on the crescent rolls. And we're gonna stalk them a little, because who doesn't stalk their food while it's baking? I mean, I don't know, not me. Remove these guys from the oven. Allow them to cool completely if you can. I don't let them cool completely. I just let them cool enough so that the icing doesn't melt completely off of them. You're gonna need some powdered sugar and some almond milk or soy milk, and you're gonna blend that up or mix that up really well until it becomes a nice little icing. Once everything is cooled down, you can take your icing and drizzle some of the icing over your danishes, and there you have a delicious vegan cheesy cherry. P.S. I totally forgot to add some sort of tasting to this video. I'm so sorry about that. Next time, don't worry, I got you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. I will talk to you guys very soon. Let me know what you think about this video format, and I will catch you guys next time. I love you. Bye.